Hi, so I want to unbox with you for the first time, so I haven't even looked in the box, the new style, or one of the new styles by Noriko called Briar in the color Honey Wheat R. So let's open it up. As I said, I haven't even looked inside. So it comes like this. It's a lovely color. Great for autumn. And then it sits on this to protect the lace front. It has the netting. Oh, I like the shattered waves on here. That's quite pretty, isn't it? Ooh, it has an extended lace front. And it has a very wide left mono part. Look at how wide that is. So that gives you proper parting options here. As this is on loan, I can't mess too much with it. But look at how pretty these waves are. Quite light. So far I can't feel much permatease. There's a little bit, but not much. So as this is on loan, I'm putting on my wig cap just to protect it. So I would normally shake it a little bit. But as I said, it's on loan, so I can't do that. So let's pop it on. Right, let's check. Yeah. Ooh, this is cute. Look at these really like shattered waves. This is pretty. So yeah, permatease-wise, there's a little bit here at the crown, but not much. It's not pillowy or anything. That's great for everyone who loves low density wigs. So you have a little bit of a fringe. So yeah, I would say you can move it across and trim it and cut a proper bang in, or have it to the side like I do. So you have parting space here, from here to here. So that's great. So let's look at the lace front. Oh, that's lovely. That's really well done. Lighter pieces to the front, so knots hardly visible. Wow, great. And let's look at the part. So obviously I haven't taken the zigzag parting out, but so far this looks really good. Not really that dense. I love this new style. So let's look at it from all sides. This is a great length for every day. Can tuck it easily. Oh, this is cute. So tell me what you think down below. Bye.